Hi, and welcome to this week's 2-minute art hack. What do we have for you today? Well, it's all about observing life and also from reference photos. If you've got objects in front of, say, people or other things, how do you get that continuity of form or that flow of form? Well, the answer is under paintings and under drawings. So, for example, before I do this as a pen sketch, I've got a pencil sketch underneath here. And as you can see, there is a book in front of the lady's leg, but I've drawn the leg as if it was, I could see the whole leg and then put the book over the top. Now, when I go in with the pen liner, fine liner on the book, I will then erase the pencil marks that you see underneath. But at least then I've got the knee and then coming down through to the foot is flowing correctly and the proportions are correctly because I've drawn that in first. Whereas if I'd put the book over the front and then drawn the leg kind of coming out, it'd be a bit hit and miss if I get that in the right area. So draw the background in and then put the foreground over the top and erase those pencil lines. The same with if I'm doing clothing. So this is a lady wearing a sari, which is rather beautiful. But I would draw the person and her legs, even though I can't see her legs, but knowing where that form is will make the drape in the fabric hang in a believable fashion because I know where those legs are. So I would draw those in first, then put the fabric hanging over the top, and those initial drawings will be covered over or erased depending on the type of drawing you do. So make sure you do your structural underdrawing working from back to front first. Don't just try and do everything on one layer because that makes it hard. And we're all about making things easy for ourselves, aren't we? We do this a lot in the academy. So come along to one of my free workshops where you get an hour instead of 2 minutes, or join the academy. It's great fun. See you later. Bye.